Trucks Plus in Everett, Washington is Washington State's #1 used truck dealer. We proudly serve customers in Everett, Seattle, Linwood, Kirkland, Bellevue, Edmonds, Shoreline, and Snohomish County.
You will love this silver 2000 Mercedes-Benz 320, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with only 115,495 miles. Enjoy this great SUV with features like power sunroof, leather upholstery, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, and much more. Have peace of mind in this 2000 Mercedes-Benz 320. See us at Trucks Plus today.
We're located right off Highway 99 South and Airport Road in South Everett. We've been here for over 25 years and our prices can't be beat. Come buy your next used truck or car from us.